Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send normal pictures as snaps on Snapchat. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Alright, for example, you have pictures in your gallery or camera roll. Well, just open up the camera section of your Snapchat. Now, once you're in here, find this magnifying icon or magnifying glass icon. Okay, tap on it. Now here we have the search bar. Just tap on it. Now type in green screen. Okay, green screen. Now select this green screen. Tap on it. Now move it away. As you can see here, I'll be able to find any of my photos. All right. As you can see, or as you might have noticed, this is basically your camera. Okay. So just move it away without anything blocking your camera's way. Okay. Maybe in this section, just find a sweet spot where nothing is blocking your camera and then find a photo. Okay. Maybe this one. All right. As you can see, you can just easily select from your gallery or camera roll. You can now then go ahead and capture it like so. And then edit it some more. And once you're happy with that, you can now go ahead and hit on send to, and you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.